video we are going to this version of AMD software is not compatible. Okay, so first we need to go to a control panel and need to check the uninstall a program and need to check the version. So we can check the version of AMD. So yes, version is here. So once checking after, we need to go back and go to device manager. Yes, search for device manager and go to device manager. In this you can see display adapter is there. Yes, click it, and here AMD driver is there. Go to properties and go to driver, and here you can see driver details, update drivers and rollback drivers is there. If the drivers fail after updating the drivers, roll back to the previous instant drivers. Okay, so if it's like this means you can do it. If not enabled means you need to update the driver. Yes, so update the driver takes some more times, so be patient, and Windows has successfully updated the driver. Yes, so after come back, and after you need to click search and type control panel. Yes, go to control panel and go to uninstall a program and need to check the version is updated or not. If the version is still in same phase, then you need to um, go to the official website. This is the official website, and you need to download it from the official website. Yes, so this is AMD official website. I am downloading the Windows drivers. So once completed, you need to install it. So yes, like this. So this is how is installing right now. So you can see the AMD Radeon graphics is up to date. Okay, so is up to date, you can see now. So in bottom section you can see the driver. So if it is in same phase, you need to install it. If it is not up to date, you don't need to install it. It's not up to date. So depends on your PC and PC version, it's need to update. Okay, so this is how to update. So thanks for watching.